Hey, welcome to Any Era Model Railroad. You got a chance, hit the subscribe button when you get a minute, and hit that bell, and I'll remind you of any videos I got coming up. Hey, it's been a while since I've been out here on the videos. I've had a couple complaints like, hey, you need to be out here showing us what you're doing. I did do some vacation, but here's what I've got going. I haven't forgot about the trains, haven't forgot about you, but I've got these trains right here that I'm going to be doing some videos on. Remoter a couple of them, probably decoders. This is my big project that's really I should have been taking videos of, but I'll go to that here in a minute. And these are some of the other projects I've got that people have sent me or that I've bought and that I need to do. So a couple of them I will be bringing up in the videos. I'll just have to sort through them all and see what I'm going to do. These projects right here are going to be, like I said, a remoter on a 210-2. They're both Mantuas, but I really want to show you what I've been doing. In the back right here, you see some 3D printed buildings that I've been doing. This is of the Hamilton, Ohio train depot. This is a historic train depot that we moved 650 feet to its new location. And I've had some 3D printing of it. And this model here is a model that there's only 3 of these models that were ever made. And it was done especially for some people here in Hamilton. And they gifted me this model right here, which is, it's a lot of pieces. It's a lot of putting together. Very few instructions, but it's an exact replica of our depot. So I'm really excited to build this. It does take a lot of time. Unfortunately, I did not record it, but I want to show you what I've been doing. Like I said, ton of pieces I still have here to go. All these other pieces you see in the background are my 3D printing stuff that I'm doing. I'm doing some adjustments, reprinting. It is the depot in a 3D print, but that's just kind of a secondary project right now. I'm going to get this other depot done, and this one's going to end up in my layout because this will be like I said, exact replica. And of course, as difficult as it's been, I want to show it off on my layout. This is the model right here, the kit that was made. Again, like I said, there's 3 of them that I believe that were made. It was in a very expensive kit, and a good friend of mine gifted me this particular kit, which was just unbelievable that he gifted it to me. But I'm going to put it together for him and honor him doing this, and I'm taking a lot of time to do this. I'm just not filming it. But it's coming, it's going to be, I will film it when I move it over to the layout. It's going to go to this, where this one is right here. You see this German looking, this is a Hagelin kit, whatever you say it. But that's my train depot I have now back there. But that's where the new Hamilton depot is going to end up being as a museum. I also got a hold of 2 gas turbines. One's an Athearn and one's an old Lionel HO. This Athearn is a neat kit. It's in excellent shape. The problem is with this one, and this will probably be my next video, is it has pretty much shorted out everything in it. Somebody touched wires together, the board's shorted. So I believe I'm going to put a blue NAMI decoder in it. I'm going to make it sound. It is not sound now. And that's going to be in an upcoming video. That's going to be a really nice decked out version. The Lionel HO, like you see right here, this is the one that I've already done. It had gearing problems, just like the MTH did. It had gears that would crack, similar to what Bachmann would do. And I found a file and 3D printed those. You'll see that running here shortly toward the end of the video. Now, what else I've been doing, I took a trip to Amish country up in northern Ohio, Dover, Ohio, and went to the Werther Carving Museum. Ernest Werther carved all the steam engines, such as this Lincoln train, and these things are carved out of wood and ivory. Pictures don't do it justice. They're unbelievable. This man spent 85 years carving almost every steam engine. He only left one unfinished when he died, and the details are just second to none. They said they had engineers and designers come in, and they can never find a bolt, rivet, or anything that was out of place. It's just I recommend you to go up there and see this. Even my grandkids enjoyed it. Here's a big boy that's spinning around. Some of them, they got the wheels, move them on. Everything operates. I mean, all the gear and mechanism, they all operate. It's incredible. Incredible detail. Sit back and enjoy that. That's just, you spend a lot of time up there. They got beautiful gardens out there. Dover, Ohio. Look it up, Werther. And it's well worth a trip. Same time, up in Amish country, there's a town called Sugar Creek, and they have the Sugar Creek Roundhouse, Age of Steam, that we went to. Roundhouse was built in 2007. They brought in a bunch of steam locomotives. That I think they're up to 25 of them. A few of them do run. A lot of them are just like this one, and they're restored and modeled museum pieces. They do boxcars, cabooses. This is a working roundhouse. So here's a roundhouse area. This is only a fraction of it that you see. It's just a beautiful place. Again, that's in Sugar Creek, Amish country. Plenty to do up there if you're into trains. The other project I've been working on, speaking of trains, we have the city of Hamilton. I'm on the city council here, and I am bringing back our city Christmas layout that I brought in some volunteers. They're great guys from the Ross, Ohio. They're called the High Railers, O-Scale, and they're bringing this O-Scale layout back to life. They have to piece it all back together. Everything has to be documented. We had no manuals on this, and they're putting this thing back together piece by piece, wiring it and putting a manual together, putting lights in buildings, they got cubicles set up here on our 4th floor of our city building in Hamilton, Ohio. Here's one of the guys working on all the rolling stock and the engines. They got to go through every bit of those. You know, figured these things are 20, 25 years old and haven't run for almost 6 years. So they're putting all these back together, getting them all cleaned up. We're going to have this baby running for Christmas. They're doing a great job. And I'm not helping as much as I like to, but one thing I have been doing is our original train depot, like you saw at the beginning, I blew this up and 3D printed this in O-Scale. This thing's 41 inches long, and it's done in O-Scale, and this is going to be one of the highlights of this train. There it is on the train layout right now. So this is something that will hopefully be there for a long time and be a showpiece. So now that you see that, that's what I've been doing, and I apologize for not catching up on my YouTube videos like I should have, but I plan to be doing a little bit more. And I want to show you the Lionel HO scale gas turbine veranda with the new gears on it. Going around the layout a little bit before I go. I'll let you watch a couple of minutes of that, and I'll tell you a little bit about it. So here it is in its glory. It's got a nice little Mars light, good sound to it. It's pulling right here at 2 3/4 grade. All these cars are weighted, so they're pretty heavy. It's doing a very good job. I think it's pulling close to 12 cars. I know my old MTH veranda had a hard time pulling up hills. This thing is running beautiful around the layout. Not bad sound for the year that it was made. DCC seems to operate flawlessly. Handles all the curves. Everything nice. It's a good running engine. Sounds aren't bad. Not a lot of DCC functions, but a good running engine. So that's what I've been up to. It's, again, I apologize for not having all the videos out there. We're going to get a lot more out there. Winter's coming. I'm going to have plenty of time to do it, but it's just been a busy summer. And I want to keep you up to date what I've been doing. I haven't forgot about the trains. Just haven't been putting a lot out there. Been running around looking at trains. So, hey, thanks for watching this video. Enjoy the rest of this veranda running around. You got a chance at the end of the video. If you haven't by now, hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate it. I'll see you at the next video, and that'll be coming up soon. Thank you.